Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to enhance product photos on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to Settings section at the bottom side of your screen and open all your listings and go to Active section to review your current listings. So here, pick up the product you want to update and tap Edit. So in the Photos section, tap Add Photos or tap an existing photo to replace it or edit. Use your phone's camera to take new pictures. So you need to find good natural lighting and use bright and clean background to make your product stand out. But avoid using your flash because natural light looks way more professional. Take multiple photos from different angles, so it's front, back, sides of your product, and some close-ups of any important features, labels, or flaws. Make sure that your product fills the frame. Please don't leave too much empty space around the item. Keep your background simple, so a white or neutral background will be perfect. Tap on the photo to edit if it's needed. So eBay has the built-in crop tool to center the product and remove distractions from the edges. Of course, if you need, you can adjust brightness and contrast to your photos, but please do it slightly and avoid heavy filters because you want your product to look as true to life as possible. And also, I forgot to mention that if your product has small details, use a zoom feature to show the close-ups without losing clarity. After you upload your photos, your new enhanced photos, arrange them so the best and more eye-catching image is first. Because that's the one buyers will see first in the search results. And once you are happy with the photo setup, tap Save button to update your listing. And that's basically how you can easily enhance your eBay product photos from your phone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.